Okay, I just wanted to go over the draft review and reflection assignment. So we're going to do this 3 times. You're going to have 3 papers due. With each paper there's a proposal. You do that on the discussion board. And then there's a draft review and reflection that is submitted in the assignment Dropbox. And then there's the final paper. Okay, so for the draft review and reflection, the directions are located in the week 4 folder, and they're also linked in each of the draft review and reflection assignments under assessments assignments. Okay, so remember, you won't be able to see the Dropbox to submit the draft review and reflection assignment until you have completed the proposal, because those are nested assignments. All right, so for this assignment, the draft review and reflection, I do not collect the rough drafts. So what you need to do then is, there's some samples here you can click on in the assignment. The samples are located as well. If you go to content and student example sample writing, you'll see samples of proposals, samples of the reflection consultation, that's what is due this week, and then samples for all the papers. So for the draft review and reflection assignment, the first thing you do is you write a rough draft. However you want that to look, that's up to you. Then and I don't collect that. Then you take that rough draft and you have a human being review it. It must be a human being and not AI. You can have a trusted person who knows something about writing review it. You could have a former high school teacher, you could have a class peer, you could have a friend, fiance, whatever you want. You have this person review it. Then, the other choices are to use the online tutoring link in D2L and submit it to BrainFuse, or to visit the LCC Learning Commons, which is, you can visit it both online and on campus, and then also the Writing Center, both online and on campus. So those are the ways that you can get feedback. Then once you get the feedback, you'll talk to them or they'll write something for you. Then what I want you to do is see what feedback you got, and then you write a 1-paragraph-ish reflection answering these questions. So you write the rough draft, you get it reviewed, and then the part you turn in to me is task 3 and 4. On a separate document, you write a reflection answering these questions: who or what you consulted with your writing, what kind of feedback they gave you, whether or not you found it helpful, and do you think you would do this kind of review again. Then the second thing you write is a brief revision list, 1, 2, 3, 4, or whatever. And then you proofread and spell check it, and then you upload it into the Dropbox under assessments and assignments, and it is called Assignment Draft Review Reflection 1. Just remember that there are samples. So, okay, here's some of the samples. This person had their sister review it. Here's their reflection paragraph. Here's the revision list. And that's it. It's pretty easy. I don't collect the rough draft. I'm just asking for a 1-paragraph reflection and a revision list. Thanks.